So let's go over what happens when you run Imdone pull for the first time, or you just finish initializing a project. So this project was initialized a while back. I just ran an Imdone clean, which empties out the backlog folder. So now I'm going to run Imdone pull. Issues are getting synced from Jira and are going to create a folder called Backlog. Inside Backlog, there's another folder called Current Sprint. That's where your issues are, files for your issues. The folders contain a folder called Attachments, a file called Comments, and another issue file for the issue itself. You can see that there was a table that was displayed after pull to show you what stories or backlog items were pulled down. And you can take a look and you can see the content is in Markdown format for you to go ahead and edit. Comments exist in a single file, and to add a comment, you update this line right here. Just replace this comment, this HTML comment, with a comment and push. If you want to add attachments, you add files here. All of your attachments will be listed here. And then you push after that. Now, pushing of comments and attachments is only available if you have a license, but you can pull and push. You could pull any number of issues, and you can push up to 5 issues. So if your project has less than 5 issues, you could push up to Jira. Okay, so let's go over how do we determine which issues to pull, because we're not pulling the whole project. So the way that Imdone figures that out is during the initialization process, you're asked to enter a JQL query. And that JQL query lives in this .imdone folder in the config.yml file. So in backlog, .imdone, config.yml, you're going to find a JQL. And you can modify this however you'd like. So you could stay under those 5 issues. If you just want to have the things that are assigned to you, or you want to pick specific issues, you could do any JQL query to get those. Now let's make a modification to the issue itself. So let's look at the demo 2 issue. And let's say that we completed this issue. So now you can see that that is a changed file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run Imdone pull again to show you what happens when you run a pull after you've edited a file. Imdone's going to create a stash and then pull so that it can overwrite your changes onto what gets pulled down. If there are merge conflicts, Imdone will ask you to run Imdone merge. So right now, let's run a pull again. And you'll see the file change briefly, and then it'll come back. So now you can see that it's back to its changed state. And if I go into the backlog folder and run a git log, you can see a log of what occurred. So this was our first pull. This is our second pull. Now I'm going to push these changes up, and we'll run git log again. And you can see what was accomplished there. So now you can see there's another commit push to Jira. That's it. Next video will be a little bit more about push.